Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage Manchurian step by step. Start by shredding cabbage finely and squeezing out excess water firmly. Then combine with flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper into a thick batter and mix until coated evenly, ensuring a compact texture for good meatless balls before frying. Begin shaping the cabbage mixture into small, even balls using slightly wet hands to prevent sticking, pressing firmly so they hold together well. Heat oil to medium-high for deep frying and cook in batches until golden brown and crisp. Then drain on paper towels to remove excess oil before preparing the sauce that will coat them. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more cooking guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps countertops crumb-free while you cook, making cleanup effortless. It's a small change that saves time and keeps your kitchen ready for the next batch. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare a glossy Manchurian sauce by sautéing garlic, ginger, and green onions briefly. Then add soy sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, a dash of sugar, and a splash of water to achieve a silky consistency. Thicken slightly with dissolved cornstarch. Toss the fried cabbage balls gently until evenly coated. Garnish with scallions, and serve hot with rice or noodles for a satisfying vegetarian meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.